Golem against BTC. Anything for Golem BTC? Okay, for Golem against BTC, we are already above the skinny pink line, which is good. Something we want to see. And yeah, if Golem does continue higher, the highs will be quite high though, right? From the very lows over here, if you were to go close to the all-time highs, it's another 3,000%. 3,000%, and this is against BTC. It's against Bitcoin, not against USD. So you can see real true strength coming on for Golem. Potentially, no guarantees, potentially. We don't see the chart pattern on the BTC pair. It's just not as clear. We see the potential, but on the USD pair, we see it. We see the accumulation. We see the potential breakout coming on. If you look at Golem against USD, we're in a very big ABCD. Very, very big one. A, B, C, D, E. And then there could be a big breakout coming on. We are above the skinny pink line, which is great. And we're in a very deep retrace, which is also great. We are at the noisy area, which is great. I suspect we could still drop a little bit lower, maybe to sub 40 cents. I don't think this is it. So a little bit, just a little bit lower. And then, yeah, potentially continuing higher for Golem. How much higher? We have a hard target. Ta-da! No, sorry, two hard targets. Ta-da! One is at $2.90, sub $3. Another one is at $4.80, sub $5. So potentially up to $5. We're only at 42 cents, yo. So this could be a 10x. Ta-da! It could be a tenner. You see that? This is Golem for you. This is Golem for you, ladies and gentlemen. So hopefully we get a high quality wave E over here, right? A, B, C, D, E. Pam! We break higher. So this is good. This is a godsend. So yeah, again. So now we're trying to guess where is the low? Where is the low? Is this the low? Could we still see a lower low coming on for Golem? We're not too sure. We're not too sure. All we know is that we are already at the noisy area. So yeah, I think here is a very good area to be accumulating, in my opinion. So yeah, I think it's only a matter of time before we complete consolidation over here and to continue higher for Golem. Golem looks really, really, really sweet. Really sweet, right? If you compare to the other coins that has already risen so much, Golem has yet to fulfill its full potential, right? 290 and potentially 480. I mean, of course, we could go bananas and go even higher, right? But we'll take things one step at a time. If and when the time comes to take profits, you must take profit. You just rotate it into something else which has a high quality chart pattern as well. Something like Golem, right? So we like what we see on Golem. Could this be something that stretches all the way out to 2020? Of course, we could stretch to 2028 before seeing any sort of a continuation. So yeah, we're still waiting for higher quality chart patterns first before committing to anything. But of course, yeah, we can also make moves here, right, at these levels. So yeah, you're gonna have to wait and see, right? If things start turning bearish, right, I mean, let's say for example we get a descending triangle over here, then yeah, of course things very likely is gonna drop even lower. But the best ever telltale sign on whether the trend is still on or not is the skinny pink line. As long as we're above it, stay with the bullish bias until we touch it, and then yeah, that's it, right? So we touch it here and here again, but of course we would run. So we went all the way close to its highs over here. We didn't take out the highs. And then what happened? We crossed it. We rallied back up. This is what you call a get out rally. So you get out of Golem, and after that, pump, it drops, right? From here to here, it's a 70% drop. You see how brutal that is? Yeah. So now we're back up. And yeah, we're hoping for a consolidation. And we're above the skinny pink line. This is good. This is good, boys and girls. So yeah, there you go. That's our take for Golem.